Now, so long as my son is not too much of a menace, I can get a little bit of stuff done here. I know we were working on Blender before. We're doing the 3D model here. Let me just share the screen. A little risky showing you everything, but you're jumping between a few different programs at the moment. So this is what I was working on the last time you saw me. I like the way it's turning out. I think I've cleaned it up pretty well. I like the way it's looking. I gotta fix the shading a little bit. I think there's some problems. It doesn't show up in this rendering, but it definitely shows up in this one. So I think this one's like the official, what it will look like at the moment. This is like an approximation. I don't think this one actually has shadows. It just shows the gloss. Yeah, you can see the trees and stuff on the use for their. What is it called? I can't remember what it's called. I took an entire class on it. Oh, besides the point, that's what we were working on. I'm putting this one on pause, on hold for the moment. We are working on. Oh, I didn't even open it. Right. Oh, that's why, because we're defaulting these to the wrong program. Open with. Alright, our logo assembly. Yeah, so you can see here, this here. I put this together yesterday. I have been working on it a little bit. This is what I'm going to use for stuff right now. I'm still deciding on the colors, and I might shorten some of these middle ones, just kind of get a little bit of a swoop. But we'll see how that goes. For now, they're all the same size. Or maybe I'll just make them lower. Just drop them a bit. For now, that's fine. But for my first project, I'm actually just going to use the black and white line art. Now, I have this set up in such a way that I can take this one and rotate it. So there's two things I want to do with this. So I need to, yeah, there we go. That's good. I need to animate it for my splash screen, obviously. But I also want audio for it. So before I can animate it, I think I need to get to the audio for it. Right. So maybe I'm not working on the splash screen today, if that's what I'm doing. Before any of that, though, I'm going to check, because I know Godot has... Don't I have a... There we go. What happened? There we go. I know Godot has built-in features for handling that. Oh, I haven't even made this project yet. So essentially my first major release, minor release, my first release with the it's gonna be my first release ever, but it's gonna be a very simple game just to get the feel of it. I've made a few things before but never released them. This will be the first release. Yeah, and under the Muffinteck game. So it's gonna be called Squares, I think. It's gonna be a multiplayer sort of mobile. It's gonna be a mobile game, primarily. Who's messaging me? No idea. Oh, looks like my mom. Mom commented on my other She always does that. Very nice. Okay, so it's gonna be a 2D, but we're gonna essentially It's going to be a in-person multiplayer game for a primary release on Android. We'll see what we can do about Apple or iOS. The essentially it's going to be a nice, simple, almost like a board game type thing for if you got two or more people waiting in the same spot. Like, for example, if you're sitting in a restaurant waiting for food and it's taking a little longer than you'd expect. So it won't take, so gameplay wise, it wouldn't take too long. Sort of a medium, like, I expect a larger game might take half an hour. A smaller game could take 15 or like 10 to 15 minutes. Is kind of the idea. Let's see, project settings. Boot splash, that's what I'm looking for. Image. I can't do an animation. Let's see, it might only, let's see if we can. Yeah, I might need to do some more research on that because I know. I mean, I could just turn off the boot splash and then do it manually after the initial one, or just have the logo and then followed by an animation. It sits in the same place, so it feels like a smooth transition. Filter, advanced settings. Nah, it doesn't do anything. Oh no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Well, let's look it up. I'm sure someone's done it before. Pardon me. Um, okay, I see. Yeah, so essentially what I said, essentially, yeah, just disable the boot splash or just give it something super simple and then have our actual splash screen come up after. Probably be the way to do it. So yeah, no, that's good. And then we'll do just a video. I need to figure out the audio for it. The audio for it. Probably I've got some good ratchets, but I think I want to make it a deeper so I can adjust. I'm gonna grab my ratchet. 1 second. You better not be messing anything up, little man. No pushing buttons. These sound pretty good. So I have a set of ratchet wrenches that are really cool because, especially for this, because I can get some different tones from these. So this is my largest one. This one's one step smaller. And then I have a standard socket wrench. This one has a really nice click to it. I'm really curious to see if this socket wrench, how that goes with adjusting the tone to be deeper. So we'll try that. With the little munchkin running around making noise, I don't think I'll be able to get any clean sound from it right now, but we'll see what we can do.
No.
Well, yeah, I definitely won't be able to get clean sound from it right now. I'll have to record again sometime tonight, but we can do some testing, and I do not have any headphones connected to this computer right now. Yeah. It's on my to-do. I need to get a new set. I had my favorite pair that I've had was the HyperX Cloud 2, and they got broke. And now I think the broken pieces are in Calgary, so I can't even work on fixing it. Might be better to just buy a new pair at this point, but it is what it is. This desktop should have Bluetooth, but I can't seem to get it Bluetooth working. Maybe it's missing drivers. I don't know. Oh, is that so? Is your little construction man standing on his head? Uh-oh. Little construction man fell down. Okay, let's open Audacity. Oh, I do have some headphones right here I can just plug in. Okay. These ones are also broke, but they work sometimes well enough, so. These ones are the spare headphones. I don't just have an M on them. I have no idea if they have an actual brand. Oh no. M Pow, some Chinese brand. Surprisingly, really good. I was actually really impressed with these. I spent 25 bucks on them. They lasted me 2 years with better audio, like metal frame construction, better audio quality than the $40 headphones I bought my wife. So that's pretty cool. Too bad I am not anywhere near the store I bought that. Actually, I'm sure there's some stores out here where I'm living now that will sell similar ones. Maybe I should look into that, because actually this headset was actually pretty worthwhile. Not quite as good as the Cloud X, but definitely, like, for the price, pretty close. So maybe that's something to look into. All right, let's see about recording our ratchet noises. To record. Okay. Okay, that's the first one. Second. And third. Oh, I'm actually not even picking that one up. There we go. All right, let's see what we got. I can hear it. Oh, shoot. Okay, that's the first one. Second. just realized you don't. Oh, no, you do. Oh, that's actually not even picking up. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got. Seems awfully quiet. I can boost it a little bit and see if we can get better sound from it. I can try to boost it. I don't remember how to use Audacity very well. Well, first let's cut them. So, okay, that's the first one. First one is here. Second. What are you doing? What? Why? Why are you attacking my hand? I'm not doing anything. I just have my hand here. Oh. Oh, okay. Thank you. 1 second. Alright, let's see what we got. I apologize for the intermission. I am back. Yeah, back to testing out those audio. Where are we? Back here. Oh, something doesn't look other. Second. And third. Okay, so far I like the second one pretty well because it has that that sort of extra cadence to it. It's got the like, it's got that. It's this one here, I think. This one. Oh no, that's the third. This one has a bit of a cadence to it where it's got. It doesn't sound like it. Am I wrong? I don't know. It's kind of got a double click to it where it's like it's like three quiet, one loud, but that might have just been the way I was turning it. I'll have to figure that out. Anyway, we'll just cut that, stick it in its own lane. And third. Gentle. Oh, that's actually not even picking that one up. There we go. Alright, so here to there. How does it sound together? First one, second. How does that sound together? Just gonna mute that track. Apologize. I apologize. I'm not telling you to apologize for me coughing. Actually, I kind of like the overlapping. Let's see if we can lower one of these more. That needs to be cut. Throw this one down here. Cleaning things up a bit. I like that squeak there. I'm gonna keep it. I think that's on this line here. Let's just follow this for make sure. It is at that dot right there. Actually, I'm going to copy this. Set it down here. Going to effect. change pitch. Much lower than that. Oh, I'm doing this the wrong way. Well, that doesn't work. Let's cancel that. Effect. Click removal. Yeah, that sounds with everything else. Just going to adjust it slightly so we're there. Get to that one. This one's too loud. Mute this one. I like the way that's sitting. Oh, that was muted. I might remove the here. I believe it's this one. To there. Beautiful. I'm just going to delete this track here. I don't need it anymore. This one back, this one forward, and this one here. Let's give that a try. I don't know what you're trying to do. I don't like it. He's holding the wrench and flying off. Looks like he's gonna go hit my microphone with it. Don't do that. That. I think maybe it's still the wrong one. Maybe a little too much. Maybe it's this track that's too much. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm not doing anything. My hand was here first. What are you doing? What? I was here first. I was here first. Go pick it up. He's getting mad at me because my hand was in his way. I was here first. I was literally not even doing anything. I just had my hand on the desk, and he's like, "Your hand is in my way." I'm not sure. Feels like too much. What if it's just this one and this one? What about these three? I like that. What happened? Did that work? I guess it did. Where's that last tick on? I think it's this one here. Hey, hey. No, no. No, no. This one. Yeah. Alright, little Munchkin needs attention now. I think I like this audio so far. I'm gonna get to a couple of second opinions. And then we'll be using that as my flash screen. What is your problem? You need to dance, 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 dance. No, no dancing. I don't know. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow.